Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Copy.ai templates for LinkedIn cold messages step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Copy.ai website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up using your email address. Once logged in, go to the Templates section on the dashboard. Locate the LinkedIn cold messages template. Click on the template to open it. Review the features and instructions provided in the template window. To use the template, copy the provided text or outline. Open your LinkedIn account in a new tab. Navigate to the messaging section. Paste the copied text into the message field. Customize the message to fit your style and the recipient's profile. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it sounds personal. Double-check for spelling or grammatical errors. When satisfied, click on the Send button. Repeat these steps for additional connections as needed. Ensure to track responses and follow up where appropriate. That's it. You're now equipped to use Copy.ai templates for your LinkedIn outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.